In this episode I will steal some fuel, then I will steal a door, I will cut some metal, and I will find some Swiss cheese. So I put the old rusty suspension back, so I can have the car in one level, so when I will weld some parts it will be not rotated and gaps will be as they should. But now, before I start, I can show that here underneath, you can maybe see it, there are some hoses, and these hoses are going here. So first I need to disconnect these hoses from the tank and remove them, so I will then able to cut the floor without any risk that I will damage some fuel hoses. That will be not nice. So let's do this. And of course it went as usual, so I need to cut down the strip which is holding the line. So the fuel pump is out. Actually, it's quite funny how tiny it is if I compare it with some modern fuel pumps which I was working with. But yeah, that's good. It's out, and now as you can see, there's the level. The fuel is quite high, and that's a consequence of me, making a stop at the fuel station when I bought this car. So now I need to pump this out, because I want to remove the fuel tank so I can work on some rust parts here, and also to change the floor, so remove the fuel line. So I need to pump it out, so let's do it. So I ended up doing it like this. So here's the hose in there. Car is it's a little bit up, so I have the right angle, and here it goes. So it goes like this, and I'll just sneak peek inside. And I see nothing, but how can I show you? It goes there slowly, but it goes. So now I need to wait until I feel it actually. Okay, so I got the fuel tank out. Actually I was expecting it will be more difficult, but it was okay. Actually it holds on one bolt here, which is going here, so I need to undo. I think there was a 13mm not washer, but stuff, and you need to undo as well the bolt from the bottom. It's not visible very well, but the bolt from the bottom. Here it is, 30mm. It will fall off, and it's connected on these actually 3 straps, but it goes like 1, and these 2 go under one bolt. I don't know, like this or something like that. I don't know exactly how, but they are just 2 bolts there, and just fell off. and it's much better to do it when the fuel tank is empty. So I'm happy that I was doing the fuel extraction before I did this job. And I will put now the fuel pump back and close it so there will be no dust and some other particles coming inside, which we don't want to have there, since I want to, as you see, yeah, it needs a little bit of cleanup, so I will clean it a little. So this is how it looks like after the cleanup. I just used some brake cleaner and some universal cleaners, and I'm quite happy with the result. And now it's time to do some work on the passenger side skirt. Yeah, so first I need to clean it before I can undrill it. So to have better access to the side skirt, I will remove the door and put it away. And finally I can do some drilling action. After a lot of drilling action, it's time to do some cutting actions. So first I did a line, so I know where to cut. Actually I did a line where it should be, and then I just put a -1 or 2 centimeters, so I will cut less, and in need then I can cut more, of course, but yeah, it's better be safe than sorry that I will not cut more than it's necessary. So I cut it, few of the metal pieces, as you can see, are just lying there, resting. So to, yeah, see what's hidden underneath, just grab my lamp. So yeah, as you can see there, yeah, underneath is rust. That's not a surprise, but I just want to see on what extent and just to have an access to it so I can clean it up and check how much inner panel I need to change. It's rusted a lot, especially here, there, but yeah, we will get it fixed, don't worry. So this is where we ended. So there is a new hole in the floor, and there are some damages to these rails as well. They're here, and of course the sill is not existing, so I need to recreate it. But yeah, that's it. But that's something for next episode. And now it's time to just test fit the sill so it will at least look like a car. So I am quite happy with the result. Of course I will need to do some cutting so it will fit better. Same here and actually almost everywhere. But nevertheless, I'm quite happy with the result, and I know that I will need to put it like 1 million times up and down, so that's okay. But yeah, that's just for me, that I will have a good feeling that it will be a car again at some point. And that's it for today's episode, so thanks for watching and see you in the next one.